With iOS 18.1, Apple has released the call recording option for all iPhones. To use it, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 18.1 by going to the General section in the Settings app and selecting Software Update. Once your iPhone is updated, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Apps. In this menu, scroll through the list to find the phone app. Once you find it, tap on it. Next, tap on the call recording option. Then, enable the toggle at the top. Once call recording is enabled, you can start recording calls. On the call screen, you'll see a tiny icon in the top left corner to enable call recording. Just tap on it, and you'll see a message indicating that call recording has started. The other person will hear a message saying that the call is being recorded. This call will be recorded. After the call is recorded, you will see a notification from the Notes app. You can tap on it to listen to the recording. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.